Hi, my name is Björn Lundberg. In this video, I'm going to share with you my evolution of becoming a smoothie master 35 years back until today to create a really well-tasting and full spectrum power smoothie to really power up your body and how I use it myself throughout the day. So the first we need to do, which I highly recommend you to do, is to invest in a really good blender. A sturdy, good blender with 5+ years warranty and above 1,000 watts. So you can really crush tough things in it. And that it has a big bowl of 2 liters. Then you need to start to come down in price and get the best ingredients. Find a source where you can buy in bulk. So I buy, and this is also all vegan powders. So you can buy superfoods in bulk. So I buy in bulk form of several kilos, and then I take them down in smaller packaging in my cabinets, so it's easy to do every time. But here is the list. I mix hemp protein, super pea protein, spirulina or chlorella, moringa, barley or wheatgrass, and nettle, nässla in Swedish. These are the most powerful powders that we can get. Then, as a base, I have 2 carrots, 1 banana, 1 nice piece of beetroot, 1 thumb size of ginger, and then half of the ruby grapefruit, röd grapefruit. Then I throw that down in the blender. Just chop off the carrot a little bit so it's easier for the blender. And I just washed my hands. Then, trick. When you take the grapefruit or the ruby grapefruit, the skin underneath, the white, that is what's super bitter, and that's actually very good for us. It's really powerful to make us alkaline. However, it tastes quite bitter, so you might need some time to adjust to that if you like to get that extra bitterness. Then today, I'm gonna mix that with frozen mango. So wherever I live on the planet, I usually like to get the fruits that are in the season. And otherwise, I just get frozen fruits. And today, it's mango. Then, next thing is very important to get a really good oil. So I usually get hemp oil or linseed oil, linfrolja. And I take a good tablespoon out of that. Then I usually also do, here is kombucha, mushroom. So I grow that myself, and here is the latest batch. And you can just use really good water, or if you have your own kombucha at home, do kombucha. Then from the big packaging, like I said, I take it down to small packaging. So here is spirulina, and I take a really good, a small, I would say almost a tablespoon. That is very strong, so it can overpower if you're not used to it. It can be tough in the beginning. Then I take 2 topped teaspoons of barley, and here today I have wheatgrass, the last batch of the wheatgrass. So over the year I mix and change, you know, every month or so each package come to an end, and then I mix with something else. But I usually have 4 or 5 different superfood powders in a smoothie. There is the nettle. Okay, and then here is turmeric, gurkmeja, and here I take almost 2 teaspoons as well of that, a big topped teaspoon. Then here is the protein powder, mixed 50-50 with hemp and pea protein, and together I take about 40 to 50 grams of protein, and this is going to become 4 large smoothies. All right, so if you take some sour fruits, you can add a little bit of honey or a little bit of stevia. Otherwise, just get used to the sourness and bitterness, because that's much better for our bodies to be more alkalized. And then I have super vortexed water with a water generator underneath the sink that cleans the tap water, so it's super healthy, and the texture is so much softer and nice as well. So that takes away all the bad stuff from our tap water, so I only get good stuff in here. And then I top it up to about 2 liters. And then I just press fire. See you in a minute. Okay, so it's just done. Powerful blender, only takes about a minute to really crush everything. Then I pour it up in 4 portions, so about a half a liter per portion. And I have got myself these high quality plastic bottles that don't give out any harmful chemicals from the plastic. So I highly suggest that you do that as well. Then I take this with me throughout my day. So these are like an extra boost during the day. And if I go to my workout, I have one before workout, one during workout. When I come into my workout and I start to feel that I'm starting to dip, then I fuel up, so I get back again, and then after the workout. So that's how I drink them. Then, very important, imagine when you do this every day, year in, year out, all these powerful, the last thing in the blender, if you don't drink that, you just flush it out, that become many glasses throughout the year. So that's why I always stop with the last thing I do, take water to get the last thing out, and then that's what I drink first. Fantastic. So here you have my recipe of vegan power smoothie and how you can easily get started yourself. So take care. I see you in the next video.